And we're back, live in orbit around Viridia Prime. Emperor Valerian's allies have finally arrived, but is it already too late? The plan is for workers to gather xenon crystals to reactivate the stabilizer. Will it work? This reporter can only guess. No. Experts say lava surges occur every few minutes, obliterating anything in the way. That low ground is a dangerous place to be. And it looks like the lava is already rising. Let's watch as the commanders below take refuge upon higher ground. The receding lava has unearthed some crystals. With any luck, workers will get them to the stabilizer quickly. Bringing a crystal to the stabilizer has bought them some time, but it will take more than time to heal this planet's wounds. This report from Terry, our seismologist, who says seismic activity is increasing. That means lava, and it's coming soon.
They're coming to threaten our base, but we shall answer.
Here's the lava. Watch the low ground, viewers. That's where the action is.
My blades are ready once more. The prophecy guides us.
It looks like that surge is finally over with. Let's watch the commanders get back to work.
My burdens weight. Our foes are cloaked in shadow. A familiar trick. I seek the path. I should decide on an artifact power. My burdens. I bring wisdom in times of peril. I seek the path of salvation.
The telltale rumbling has begun. I expect we'll be seeing a lava surge soon, and a big one.
Our enemies come. Strike swiftly.
The lava surge is back, viewers. Let's watch as the low ground is engulfed in molten rock and fire.
Allies are in battle. The Allies' base is besieged.
Glory to the Deva. This fragment will be safe now.
Fight, Clinic.
The lava has receded once more, leaving both crystals and destruction in its wake. I'm getting word the enemy forces are attacking the commander's workers. Let's watch as the battle erupts. This just in. The environmental stabilizer is at 25% and holding. Still a long way to go.
I bring wisdom in times of chaos. I seek the path of salvation. I must not hesitate.
A worker has been slain, and their cargo is falling. A terrible loss. Oh, and the worker will be missed as well. Our seismologist believes the coming lava surge is breaching the mantle. Terry, this is boring science stuff. I'm reading this. Another lava surge is here. Evacuation of the low ground had better be underway.
I'm burdens.
A molten salamander, agitated by the lava, is attacking the downtown area. We're going to see if we can get a closer shot. The lava surge is ending, viewers. But stay with us. I'm sure there's a lot more excitement to come.
I bring my sea. I shall focus my search for the artifact in this location. You must not.
The commander's workers should collect the crystals and bring them to the stabilizer soon. We'll be here when they begin.
I bring wisdom in time
The environmental stabilizer has reached the halfway point. A big moment for the forces down below.
The enemy is near. Kill.
My burdens free.
More lava? Coming soon? I don't believe you. Admit it. You're desperate for attention, Terry. I'm getting a report that the lava is surging right now. Let's switch to Lava Cam 6. The salamander has resurfaced. I normally don't editorialize, but that thing looks angry. Oh, watch this, viewers. The commanders are going to need to fly carefully to avoid the magma spouts bursting from the lava. It appears that the lava is receding, and the race to reactivate the stabilizer is back on.
are closing in on our base. Ready your blaze. Times of chaos. Glory. Show.
Your allies are in battle. Base is under attack.
Dakron, make haste.
Base is under attack.
Artifact fragment is hidden near here. Honor
Your allies are in
commands.
battle.
Come, worm.
Base is besieged.
My
Base have
orders.
engaged.
Another quake. Another lava surge coming soon. Trust Donnie Vermillion to get you the updates you need. I've just gotten an update. The lava is here.
I shall.
It looks like the salamander has resurfaced. If the commanders are going to do something, now just might be the time.
Enemies gather. We must withstand them.
It looks like the surge is over, for now. But when the burning tides rise again, we'll be there.
My artifact search shall be focused in this vicinity.
Your allies are in battle.
That earthquake only signals one thing. Another lava surge is coming soon. Another lava surge has come. We'll have more after this short message from our sponsor.
Nice.
Flames spread as the molten salamander resurfaces. Will the Dominion's allies intervene, or leave this creature unchecked?
I seek the path of salvation.
As quickly as it surges, the lava recedes. Now it's up to the workers to reach those new crystal formations in time.
I bring wisdom in times of chaos.
Base is under
I
attack.
sense that an artifact fragment is located near this area.
We're still waiting for workers to collect a crystal and bring it to the stabilizer. Hopefully things pick up soon. The stabilizer is 75% charged. So close, yet so far. Will they pull through?
I bring wisdom.
Base is under attack.
I shall find a way. Address me. I seek the path of salvation.
A jolt of seismic activity rocks the surface of Viridia Prime. The lava won't be too far behind. The lava has arrived once more, and UNN's film crew is on the scene.
Base is under attack.
I have crossed the threshold of destiny and lived to see it.